what's changed for you? What's possible? What do you perceive as possible for you?
What I perceive as possible now is being healthy beyond my wildest dreams that I've probably never been in my life.
Beautiful.
Thanks.
We hold that for you too.
Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely.
What I see now is the possibility of being spontaneous, because I would have waited till last. And the possibilities are endless.
That's beautiful. Thank you, Richard.
What I perceive possible now is complete freedom from the past and things that have weighed me down, which lifts me to a beautiful, bright future.
I thought about my word, right? That was your word, right? Yesterday?
It was.
And I just thought of my word, and it was responsibility. And I feel like now that I have this information, this way of helping people, that it's my responsibility to help others this way.
Beautiful. Totally different perception of responsibility, isn't it?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Thank
I was
you.
wondering why I got that word. Now I know.
Awesome. It took to the last minute to figure it out.
Totally.
Yeah.
Thank you, Richard, for reminding
Beautiful.
me.
Beautiful. Good.
I feel like this has opened many more avenues for healing for anybody that comes around or is around, or me. So thank you.
Day one was, the card that I pulled was power, and that was related to self-empowerment. And after that got balanced, the second card that I pulled was opportunities. And to me that means getting out of my comfort zone and the thought of owning my own business and doing this. And the Avengers, of course.
I feel incredible empowerment because I feel like I have lived behind a shadow my whole life and not able to look at myself at all and what I have to offer the world. And I feel like after these 3 days, I feel like for the first time I know that I have a lot more within myself that I can let out that will do great things for other people and the world. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
I think it's something that come up to me is a change that I can do in my own personal life, which also affects all people that around me and just in general community and society in general where we live. And the word that I pulled out is origin this morning, remembering my roots, which is amazing because like when you come to the new country, you're kind of trying to embrace your new culture, but you have to remember where you're coming from. But with this also process, it's also letting go of the past. It doesn't mean where you've been before, it's like where you're gonna go next. So this just gives me a little bit great opportunities to open up and new ways to live and new ways to impact people around me. So thank you.
Beautiful.
My word this morning was opportunities, and now it's given me the new opportunity that I can help my family and friends to help us meet good, healthy life ahead of us and meet new friends.
Wow, not sure where to begin. But it's been an interesting 3 days, and I hit a wall a couple hours ago. It's kind of weird. But it's been so impactful, so impactful. And I feel that I have the tool that I've been looking for to make changes for myself. And change happens all around us, but we've got to start with us. So I'm excited.
I feel like I am possible right now. I lost the belief in myself and I regained it, and I feel more confident for sure in the PSYCH-K process, but also in what I always felt like doing and following my heart. And like I said, I regained me, myself.